So we did, um, for the reading 101, just basically kind of going through the writing and reading part of it, just teaching reading and writing to students. Um, the understanding of it, basically, I got really from the pretest, just kind of what makes a good writer, how do you develop that, um, steps and things that you can do to help those students, but just like the importance from kindergarten, all the way till they probably graduate high school. Even college, it's just important. So those younger years, getting good at those things is essential to making a good writer. Um, Really, the topic in depth, I guess it was really for me like the barriers in the writing, one that they did. Um, just with that, I guess the skills and abilities that they need to develop, I think that was pretty interesting. I know that there's stuff like the language skills, the lack of knowledge about writing, organizational skills. So the higher order thinking skills were really cool, just because that's part of kind of like that executive function. And then for the in practice, um, the six trait models, I thought was probably the coolest thing to me, and it helps just pinpoint, a student's strength and weakness. I mean, that's huge. If you can't figure out what the problem is or what they're good at, I guess you're not going to get any growth there. So, like, I know that I would feel like the sentence fluency would be a big one, the conventions, the organization, just some of those trait models with that. But I thought that was probably the coolest one. The difference for the pre-test and post-test, I think there's a few questions that changed when I took my post-test, and it was just more around after reading kind of the in-depth and practice of what some of those like skills or ways to help those students and what's like important and not necessarily important. I do have a new understanding of ways as a teacher that I can look to help my students. I did not know about like the six trait models, and then just some of that fluency stuff that is just as big for speaking as it is for writing. So I know sometimes probably it's kids might have good fluency, and that might not necessarily translate to the paper. So, but overall, that was a really cool one, and I liked it. Thank you.